Eventually, investors have overcome the panic mood. Traders are pricing in the information on a slowdown in the pandemic rates worldwide. Global stock indexes and other risky assets responded with a relief rally. Meanwhile, investors are shifting focus towards the economic calendar to judge the current conditions of the global economy and reckon its prospects. Now, let's watch our video calendar on InstaForex TV channel. After Japan has declared the state of emergency, investors await a response from the central bank. On Thursday morning, Bank of Japan Governor Haruhiko Kuroda is due to speak. He is expected to announce some stimulus measures. The dovish rhetoric of the governor will be bearish for the yen. In the evening, traders will get to know what is going on in Canada's labor market. Earlier, traders were alarmed by the shocking surge in the number of unemployed Americans, which had been locked for a few weeks in a row. Now, investors are braced for employment data from Canada. Analysts reckon that the domestic labor market could have lost 500,000 jobs in March, with the unemployment rate rise to 7.4%. Every Thursday, traders are fretted awaiting a weekly update on first-time jobless claims in the United States. The latest report revealed that 6,648,000 Americans applied for unemployment benefits. Besides, the number of initial jobless claims could have surged by another 5 million in the week ended April 4th. The evidence of the coronavirus fallout will revive demand for safe haven assets, including the US dollar. Another factor to bear in mind is that the US government is going to increase an unemployment benefit by $600 per week. At present, a jobless compensation equals from $200 to $550 per week. Such news will certainly contribute to a flood of unemployment claims. The other event of crucial importance on Thursday will be a speech by Fed's Chairman Jerome Powell. He is holding an online conference about the economic recovery. The Fed's leader is widely expected to unveil economic forecasts, which will confirm the serious economic challenge ahead. On Friday, the United States is due to release one of the major indicators of the economic health, a consumer price index. Investors attract great importance to this report, as it will show a rate of consumer inflation for March, when the country was in lockdown while the epidemic was approaching its peak. Analysts estimate that consumer prices fell 0.3% last month. Besides, inflation could have eased to 1.6% in annual terms from 2.3% in February. Such information might hurt the US dollar. Another reason which could weaken the greenback is that traders will be locking in profit, closing long deals on the US dollar at the end of the week. Apart from the above-said events, it would be a good idea to consider other macroeconomic reports. On Thursday, traders await a financial stability report from Australia, GDP data for the UK, and trade balance reports for the UK and Germany. The United States will provide a preliminary consumer sentiment index for April. The economic calendar will not contain many reports on Friday. This trading week will be shortened as European trading floors will be shut on Good Friday before the Easter weekend. On early Friday, China will report on its consumer and factory inflation for March. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Tikhina. We wish you profitable deals.